know. Yup, yak bitch, what is hitting for? And all my yaks do the same thing. We popping them bottles.
There's no grip. Everything is slipping out, man.
You gotta fucking actually fucking use every bit of your footage on that part.
I'm gonna have to pop out of it, but I'll do the 50. Oh shit. In the rain, let's get it. Hey, motherfucker.
Weird as fuck.
Motherfucker's easy. Alright, I got you 5-0. First, second, whatever track. Like I mean business, gang. I'm straight into it.
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang.
Yeah.
Guys, man, we out here in the rain, sleet, or snow, skate or die. Yeah, that's actually fun to skate out there. That's butter. Well, you can try to come around with a little slide, boy, slide. Yeah, going out the park. Pop over. Let's see it, Nick. You want me to do so?
Huh?
We just gave you that motivation.
Oh. Make it feel good. Make it feel good. Make it feel good. Oh, mother boy. That's a whack.
Bro, Nick. Yeah, that motherfucker let him hit me in my face. I was gonna spear that motherfucker.
Oh, oh shit! You might got me because the things at the long ass on. You might got me too, so you might have to do a little shit.
Oh!
That's what you don't like?
Huh?
You can like.
Forward slide show.
Huh?
Forward slide show.
I don't like front board, man.
Backside.
I'd rather do a fakie, but I'll do a backside. I'll try it. This shit's ass. You can board slide first.
I missed square one.
On the way.
Right now.
Oh, it's dry in there. Homeless guy. Yeah, let's get some footy with him.
Fuck the homeless
That'll be a dope ass edit. Come on, y'all, let's go have fun. Respect the block.
Yeah, we gotta get in this before it rains. Nickerson? Oh, it's like pretty smooth too. so about it. They got a gap over here. Got all kinds of shit over here.
First time here? Huh? Your first time here?
Is this your first time here?
Yeah.
Where? Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck is going on. Alright. Y'all take care now. Alright.
Hanging out over here.
Bro, I don't know, man. For some odd reason, I was so excited to skate today, bro. I'm not sure if y'all caught that on cam. I'm not paying attention, but like, man, I got the clip, bro. I think I don't know, bro. I probably didn't break it because I could walk. But I really did destroy my ankle, my foot, or something, bro. This is so bad, bro. So like, yeah, man, we randomly went street skate. We was looking for street spots. And damn, we randomly found this duck off DIY, man. And yeah, man, we had some fun. I feel like a crippled old man now, bro, to say the least, bro. Y'all can go ahead with the jokes, bro. It is what it is, bro. But I'm only out for like a month, if that, bro. Don't get it twisted. I know I'm out for a little bit. But hey, enjoy the footage. I don't know, man. My shows, man.
Streets instead of learning from the books, but it's okay. Who the hell am I to judge? I'ma roll up all this weed so I can simply rise above all this bullshit. Every day is such a struggle, gotta think outside your bubble. Don't forget you gotta hustle, fam, don't quit. It's 420 round my side, man. That's every day. I ain't even gotta lie, man. I know. I'm just chillin', getting high, and roll one up, everybody getting high, man. Might as well legalize it. I made this hook in my car, just vibe, man. I'm praying we can stop the violence. My hands up, I ain't really tryna die, man. I feel just like a threat. 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 I feel just like a threat, but I ain't tryna step on toes. I'm just standing